All right, so like I said, we are about to form the rows. So this is the part where you ended your plates. You can remember, right? So you come to this part where we started from, this tip where we started from. So this kind of rows, they're actually different type of this kind of rows, and it's actually done in different way also. Okay, but for the benefit of this class and the type that we want to achieve, you come to the end of where you started the plates from. Okay, I have my pins with me because I'm going to pin it down first before I tack. So you fold this way. Please watch keenly. Okay, like you want to make oshuka, like the Yorubas we call it. Okay, you fold it this way and you tack. You tack. Okay, please make sure your tacking is very neat. You tack it in such a way that your threads are not showing. Okay, so I continue. If you have watched this video up to this moment and you've not subscribed, please kindly do, I beg you in God's name, and God will bless you for supporting and encouraging us. Thank you very much for tapping on the subscription bell or subscription button, and please do not forget to tap on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we drop a video. So you continue wrapping it round. When wrapping, you try to use your hand to arrange your pleats. Okay, this way. When you wrap it, you use your hand to arrange your pleats. You wrap it round. Hope you are seeing it properly. I'm trying to position it in such a way that it's you are getting a perfect view of what I'm doing. Okay, please, I also need you to comment what country you are watching this video from. Kindly drop where you are watching this video from on the comment section below. Okay, so you keep wrapping. When you wrap, use your hand to arrange your pleats. Okay, as you can see, our rows is forming already. So when you get to a point where you feel you should tack, you pass your thread in such a way that your tacking will be very neat, or you cut it at the previous point where you've already tacked, whichever one you find convenient for you. So I've passed my thread to the point where I need the needle, and then I'm just going to tack it somewhere around here. The very reason why you should use a matching thread, so that if peradventure your thread is going to show, it will blend with the predominant color of your fabric. So you keep rolling while arranging your pleats. Okay, you see our rose is forming already and it's looking very beautiful. If you follow the details, the process, the steps, the method I've shown you in this video, I don't think you should have a problem replicating this tutorial. Okay, so you keep wrapping it around that way while adjusting your pleats. I'm loving this. So I think I also want to tack it here to keep my rows in place for me. Let me tack it here. If you have any style you want us to make a tutorial video on for you, please drop it on the comment section below. Or still, you can follow us on all our social media handle. On Facebook, we have a Facebook group. The name is Fashion Boss Innovation. On that group, we drop tutorial video as well. Okay, we drop projects. You can also drop your practicals. If you've learned anything from this channel and you've made a practical out of it, you can drop it on the Facebook book group. I encourage you to join the group. It is Fashion Boss Innovations. And then also follow our page. Follow us on our Facebook page, Fashion Boss. On Instagram, it is Fashion Boss. On of course, you're already on YouTube. On TikTok, it is Fashion Boss. On Pinterest, it is Fashion Boss Innovations Academy. Thank you for following us, and God bless you. Share this video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, comment on it. Okay, share it with people you think and know we need a detailed tutorial like this. Okay, don't be stingy in acquiring knowledge and keeping it all to yourself alone. Please share this video to as many that will need it. Okay, so I'm tacking that point. So basically it's the same process till you get to the end of your rows. You see, as you are working, you are using your hand to arrange it. Hope you're loving what you're seeing. Our rows is set. Okay, and this is the ending part where I want this place to stick out. Okay, I want this place to stick out this way. All right, I'm sure you love it. So I'm going to tack it down. Let me tack this other part. So this place, this way, I'm going to tack it so that we have this edge sticking out. Have you subscribed yet? I want to trust you that you have. Okay, share this video, give it a thumbs up. Like I always say, we are available for online classes, physical classes. If you want a training, a physical training, we are available. If you have a seminar where you need us to come and teach a group of women, we are available. We can travel all states and nations. We are available. If you like what we do, encourage us, like this video, share it, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to drop the country or the state where you are watching this video from. Okay, so I'm just giving it a finishing touch. You see, it was pretty easy, quite easy. So I'm just giving it a finishing touch. Our rose is ready. You see? So at this point, you can tack it to your, what do you call it? Your ZARA cap. Okay, and it stays this way. Okay, It stays this way. I also have this beautiful design I've made. I have a tutorial video on this already in the channel, how I achieve this very design. Okay, I made it with a silver damask. Check on the channel, you will see how we achieve this. It is there with a silver damask, how to make exaggerated bowl and loop design for ZARA CAP. It's there. Still, I will drop the link on the comment section below so you can reach out for it. Hope you love it. Okay, it's beautiful, I'm sure. All right, see you in our next class. Bye for now.